How to fix iPhone Face ID not working. Now, if you're not being able to make your Face ID work on iPhone, there are a couple of fixes that we can try. First, make sure your camera and front camera is also specially working just fine, and you can see it's working fine in my case. After that, open up settings, go to general, go to software update, check if you have an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Try to also check for your Face ID settings. So scroll down, Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode right over here. Once you enter your passcode, check if your face is registered over here. You will see if your face is registered. One thing you can try is you can reset your Face ID, and you can try to add another appearance with mask or alternative appearance and re-put your Face ID over here. You can see a couple of options. Make sure that you have allowed Face ID for this as well, as you'd be able to see. But first thing, you can try to reset the Face ID and see if that actually helps you. Now, you can also try to restart your iPhone, and still if your Face ID is not working, then it could be that you have bought an iPhone which has been used or repaired by someone else. Especially on iPhone, when you change the display, chances are the Face ID might not be working correctly. So that should also be the case. But hopefully after you try a couple of these fixes, it should help you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.